Welcome to Car Magica, your trusted source for the latest automotive reviews, specs, and deep dive features on cars, motorhomes, and beyond. Today, we're exploring the breathtaking 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a bold entry that brings the soul of Maranello's racing heritage into the world of luxury travel. Known for crafting some of the world's most thrilling sports cars, Ferrari now turns its passion and engineering prowess toward redefining the motorhome experience. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome commands attention with its aerodynamic silhouette and unmistakable Italian design. The exterior boasts sculpted lines, aggressive front air intakes, and the iconic prancing horse badge, all set on a custom lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber chassis. Paint options include Ferrari's legendary Rosso Corsa Red and exclusive dual-tone finishes that capture the essence of the brand's racing pedigree. Sleek LED matrix headlamps, massive 22-inch alloy wheels, and automated side steps complete the striking design. Underneath the motorhome features a revolutionary hybrid V8 powertrain that combines exhilarating Ferrari performance with improved efficiency for longer journeys. This setup ensures a dynamic yet refined ride, delivering smooth acceleration and a quiet cabin ideal for touring. The adaptive suspension system keeps the ride balanced and composed, while advanced all-wheel drive and customizable drive modes offer confidence on highways and off-road escapes alike. Step inside, and the interior reveals a perfect fusion of sportiness and luxury. Premium hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a sophisticated yet unmistakably Ferrari atmosphere. The cabin layout is thoughtfully divided into distinct living zones, a stylish lounge area with race-inspired reclining seats, a modern kitchen equipped with top-tier appliances, a master bedroom featuring a plush queen-sized bed, and a full bathroom finished with marble detailing and a rainfall shower. Technology plays a key role in elevating the experience. The digital cockpit provides real-time navigation, performance data, and AI-driven climate control, all manageable via voice commands. Entertainment comes alive through a premium surround sound system and multiple high-resolution OLED displays. Connectivity is seamless, thanks to built-in 5G, satellite communication, and smart home integration, allowing control of lighting, temperature, and appliances directly from your smartphone or the onboard touchscreen. Safety features are comprehensive and modern, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for full visibility. Additional systems like fire detection, tire pressure monitoring, and onboard security cameras ensure peace of mind wherever your adventures take you. In the end, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's an embodiment of passion, innovation, and Italian craftsmanship. Designed for those who crave both high performance and first-class comfort, it transforms every road trip into an unforgettable journey. Whether cruising coastal highways or relaxing under the stars, this motorhome brings Ferrari's legendary spirit to the open road. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more exclusive looks at luxury cars, motorhomes, and the latest in automotive design. This is Car Magica, your gateway to the world's most exciting vehicles.